Hey guys, those of you who are vaping, I have a very interesting video today. I'm going to show you what's inside the vape bars, and this is elf bar, which most of you living in UK obviously know. So this is the elf bar body, and this is the liquid container. What I don't like about the elf bars is that some of the liquid is going on top, and this protector is not enough, and sometimes when I lay down and I vape, it goes inside my mouth, which is not good. This is a crystal bar, and this crystal bar, obviously it's better built than the elf bar. Also contains big battery, bigger than the elf bar, and more liquid, and obviously it gives a better performance. You can compare the elf bar battery on the left and the crystal bar battery on the right. So far I'm choosing the crystal bar, and that was my upgrade. And yeah, the container comparison as well. Also metal body, which is much better than the normal elf plastic body or whatever. Anyway, recently I started smoking Suorin, and what I like about this is that the build quality is the best so far. The battery is huge, as you can see, is bigger than the elf bar battery, is bigger than the crystal bar battery, and also you can see the liquid inside this container is crazy. It's a lot of liquid, which gives you more puffs. Actually I managed to do around 700 puffs, and this is a 600 puff bar. Also the protection for your mouth is better, and no liquid so far have entered my mouth. So the build quality is like the bottom part is metal and the top part is plastic. So this is so far elf bar. I stopped using elf bars. I will stop use crystal bars, and I'm going to Suorin. So if you guys want to try it. You will be surprised from the quality. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.